Now, Sri D. Raja.
Thanks, sir. Money in EPF is workers' money. It is meant. It is workers' money, hard-earned money. Who is giving to worker on the platter? Take this money. What are you asking? Money in EPF is workers'
He only
money.
supporting you. Don't be angry.
Sir, let me finish. The money in EPF is workers' money. It is meant for their future after their retirement. And for the safety of their family in case something happens to the worker. I think the minister understands this and accepts this. Sir, I am asking, why don't you invest this money in government-approved securities? I am asking you. Investing in share market, according to me, is not only risky, it is a gamble. It is a gamble. Government should not gamble with workers' money. You cannot gamble with workers' money. Share market is speculation and risky. Government can invest EPF in special deposits of government banks at higher rate of interest. I am asking the government, why don't you think on this line? And it should be at least more than the inflation rate. Investing workers' money in share market is anti-worker. And I do not think any trade union has accepted this. And no trade union has accepted. And ever since you came to power, there is a trend. You try to undermine the trade union movement in this country. For a democracy, government of the day should recognize the role played by the trade unions. No trade union has accepted your measure. But you are continuing that. Why do you do that? It is nothing but anti-worker measure. And please reconsider and withdraw this anti-worker measure. That's what I am saying. And minister should squarely respond to this. Otherwise, this government is already known as anti-worker government because of your so-called labor reforms. And this is part of that. And antagonizing the working people of this country, no government can survive. This is the warning government should take. That is why I oppose this move, investing EPF money in share market, and whatever government has done, it should be rolled back. Government must withdraw and give up this anti-worker measure.
Okay, thank
Thanks,
you.
sir.
So